I'm on a train track. I'm hoping, since it's Halloween and everything, and a lot of people hasn't been, they have art on it. See? And there's vehicles there somehow, which is probably not safe, but it's who they want to be, I guess. Now I'm on this train track, as you see. It's like layer and layer. As you can see, there's a blinking light. And no, it doesn't mean a train is coming. If it does, then as you can see, there's an alley here. This is not safe, of course. But as you can see, this is a nail that they use for these. As you can see, it looks just like it, because it is like it. So over there's this. But I'm just walking around at 2:48 a.m. and everything, just to see what is there to offer. As you can see, there's a truck. No, it's not in it. It's windy out today is. Look what I found. How lovely. And there's more. But honestly, this right here is not right. It should be upside down. More of those. Some other ones. It's pretty empty in here except for those. Don't even ask me why they're there. But there is hay. Maybe this is where they kept the horses till they're ready for the parade. I'm so happy I'm skinny because I want to see, look how this is. A lot of people probably wouldn't be able to come across it, but I will. This is all graffiti. All graffiti. I love this one. Look, guys. It said God's not dead in this cross. And there's some, that was made in 2018. And there's some over here. I'm in the low part. As you can see, against, see how this is? This is thinner. I'm just telling you guys now, I am literally by myself and everything. And there's some up there actually. Just realized that. Oh, look. That's cute. Anyway, that's gonna be the end of my video because, yay. Have a nice night, guys. Get some nice rest of the West. And I shall talk to you later.